Hi, John Ozzie here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Bruce. Bruce has been trading with us from the 30th of July 2021 up until the date of review 8th of November 2021. Bruce has had an absolute gain of 6.12%. Daily gain of 0.10%, a drawdown of 5.47%, and Bruce is managing 30,000 US dollars, which is level 2. Looking at the advanced statistics of Bruce, we can see some of his trades that he's taken. He's had a total of 67 trades to get to level 2, and very impressive. Bruce has won 59 trades out of 67, which represents 88%. He's only lost 8 out of 67, which represents 12%. So Bruce is definitely trading with a unique strategy, which is foolproof, and he's only lost 8 of his trades. So clearly, Bruce has a trading plan and something that's working for him. Bruce has had a total of 613.8 pips, which is rounded off to 614. The best trade today is $206.82, and the worst trade is $376.50. So let's have a look at what Bruce has done from start date, July. You can see Bruce didn't trade, 0%. August, he gained 4.04%. Look at the pairs traded. Australian dollar franc, CAD yen, euro dollar, pound CAD, New Zealand dollar yen, New Zealand dollar USD, US dollar Swiss franc, and US dollar yen. As you can see, the proportion of currencies traded for August, he traded mainly the New Zealand dollar yen and the New Zealand dollar US dollar, followed by the US dollar Swiss franc mainly. And you can see the long positions and short positions on the chart and the average holding time. So he's been holding trades from probably seconds to average of 4.63 per day. So let's say 4.5 days on average, just over 5 days, the average trades. So currently he hasn't got any trades open, but if you can look at the history, he's had 0.25 lots. You can see 13 pips, 14 pips, 25 pips, 57 pips. You can see the gains. At the same time as well, see how he made his 10%. Very easy and consistent, as you can see. Just little small marginal gains, as you can see. 205, 205, 35, 35, and they all add up to give him his 10%, because you see it's an accumulation of price and pips, small consistent pips. I will recommend you use a stop loss and take profit in place, because what this will do, this will protect you from unnecessary risk and avoid exposure and volatility. And with news announcements that you can't predict that are not factored into the market, it keeps you in control of the trade, but not taking nothing away from you. Congratulations as well, because you've achieved something that hasn't really been done before. And again, you're disciplined to keep your drawdown to a certain level and only lose 8 trades in the process. So this is very good. So as we're going through now, you can see the pairs traded. You have a few marginal losses, but all your small consistent gains helps you get to the finishing line. And this is how you've made it. And up to November now at present, look at the pairs you're trading. So this is very good, a very great attempt, but let's have a look at what you've actually traded in hindsight. You trade quite a few pairs and you've only lost 2 major ones, which is the Australian dollar, US dollar, and the pound yen. But I like to tell traders, focus on the pairs that give you the most picks. The most pips will always keep you consistent and give you the money you need to go on to achieve your targets. So I recommend you stick to the pound CAD, pound Swiss franc, pound NZD, and New Zealand dollar US dollar. And maybe you might want to stick to dollar CAD or Swiss franc. But if you stick to these pairs, you can be very consistent and move up to the next level, level 3, which is 60,000 US dollars, then 120,000 US dollars. You're a disciplined trader, and I definitely challenge you to get to at least level 4 or 5 before the year ends. So you can get to level 3, which is 60,000, and level 4, 120. It's all achievable. And more importantly as well, your drawdown is very good, 5.47. I challenge you to maybe just go by an extra 2%. See if you can go to the next level with 90% and reduce your loss rate by 2%, which gives you 90 to 10. That is definitely something to aim for. But you are a good trader, take nothing away from you. But try and build this consistency now of reducing your risk, reduce your losses now, and keep on getting more gains. Whatever you're doing is definitely working for you. So the psychological mindset is key. I recommend a book by Mark Douglas. I always say this on my reviews, called Trading in the Zone. You probably read this book before, but have a look at it and connect with like-minded individuals as well. This is definitely a good account, and congratulations again. And I look forward to reviewing your account on level 3, 4, and above.